Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm sharing my updated bedroom tour. If you follow me on Instagram, then you already know my new desk came in. I rearranged, added in some new items, and could not be any more excited to share this video with you guys. I work from home, so I wanted a desk that fit my existing bedroom furniture and that was big enough to fit my desktop, my printer, and my microphone. My desk is from Joss&main. It's the Ives L shape executive desk, and the thing was ridiculously heavy to drag into my doorway. In total, it was 240 pounds between two boxes, but it felt like 1,000 pounds per box. I'm not even exaggerating, you guys. It was super heavy. However, I love this desk so much. I'm glad it fits in my room and with my furniture. There's a lot of storage space. I'll give you guys a quick look inside, or like a little tour. I just bought organizational bins and haven't completely organized it yet, but in this top drawer I have notepads, my planner, some lens cloths, and other random things for my computer and camera. In the file drawer underneath, I have some documents that need to be organized better. For now, it's just all in the same place, and that's fine. Behind that, I have some cards and keepsakes and just like little drawings for my kids and pictures. So up here in this top slot, I have a organizer. Like I said, I have to organize some things a little bit better, and I got this at Target. I think it's super cute and matches perfectly. There's also a desk calendar up there and some printer paper. I also have a clipboard there and some glossy picture paper. So in the middle, I have these two large seafoam colored baskets from Target. They're empty right now, but you can see how much space is in here. They fit very comfortably. The two baskets on the bottom, I have been looking for some with a top like this for a long time now. I found them at Burlington, and there's a bunch right now. In there's some papers that I need to sort through, but not really. As long as it's there and it's completely covered by a decorative basket, I'm good. Up here, I have my case for my headphones and a manual for my Canon, this chrome camera that's in all of my videos. Behind that is my DSLR, and under that is a woven basket that I have miscellaneous parts of equipment, spares, and manuals. Above my desk is my little gallery wall full of inspirational and motivational quotes. I've collected these over time from various discount stores. The diamond-shaped shelving unit is from Marshall's. So are the other ones in my living room. Anything that I don't mention in this video will be listed in the description for you guys. I'll also link my hauls because majority of this will be in those videos. Also, my silver play button finally came just in time for the room tour. It's in the perfect spot. It's a little dark in this corner, but right where it needs to be to remind me that I'm going for gold. Right next to my desk on the opposite side, I have this large mirror propped in the corner. I have been looking for a mirror like this for some time now, and I finally found one big enough, but not too big, at Walmart. I wasn't even looking for it. I just happened to stop and looked, and it was the exact color I was looking for. It fits here perfectly, and I could not be any more happy with it. In my little end table, I have my teeth whitener and some baby wipes. There's also an electric heating pad and my diffuser. My bed is in the center of my room now. I wasn't sure how this was gonna work. My room is a decent size. My bed is a queen. I don't know where my bedroom set is from. It was a hand-me-down, probably one of the best I've ever received, you guys. This set is amazing quality. I haven't found anything similar to it. It's really hard to come by. My throw pillows are most likely from discount stores, as well as my quilt. My little seat is from HomeGoods. I found it on clearance. There was absolutely nothing wrong with it. It's the perfect size and color. The material is velvety. It's a very comfortable chair to sit on and to throw my throw pillows onto at night. Next to it is my end table and a fake plant in a teal vase, and my water bottle is usually there too. Moving out of my room into my closet now that you guys see me organize all the time, I have some clothing hung in here, jackets because it's been chilly lately. On top, there's some random boxes that I may need, so they're just up there. On the other side, I have some items organized with these baskets that I buy at Walmart. I really like the size and style of these. I use them to organize throughout my whole apartment. My towels, hand towels, quilts, and extra throw pillows are also in here. Up here I have 3 hooks where I hang my robes. Under that are my gym shoes that I don't actually wear to the gym. I work out at home, and my dumbbell. My shower curtain with the cactus is so cute. If you can't already tell, I kind of like the cactus. I have a few in my room and bathroom. I use these two drawers on the sides to organize what I use every day. All of my makeup and nail polish is on this side. I don't use my nail polishes every day, but it fits in here. On this side, I have all of my oral care, hair elastics, clips, hand and foot mask, and my toothbrush that I use also for my hair. In my medicine cabinet, I have all my skincare, my sunscreen, deodorant, and my favorite eye mask. This big white plug that I keep getting questions about is not a speaker, although that'd be pretty cool considering I love music. It's actually a germ guardian. Under my sink, I use the same organization bin to organize my hair products, body products, and my hair tools. This keeps this area organized always. My absolute favorite thing about my room is my desk, hands down. As you can see, I'm super extra and celebrating an unimaginable accomplishment. I did feel chatty towards the end, so I went ahead and included an outro. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I was so excited to share this with you guys. Finally, I gave you guys a little sneak peek on Instagram, but my room to me feels like it's completely done. I could not even imagine that I could do something like this with my room in an apartment, but it is possible, and it wasn't super expensive at all. I shouldn't say it wasn't super expensive at all. I took my time doing what I did to my room, probably a good 6 months to come to this point. So it wasn't all at once, but I worked my ass off in order to get that plaque that you guys saw up there and make all of this. I also wanted to thank you guys, because without you guys, none of this would happen. So thank you so much for supporting me and my channel and for always watching. I'm planning on touring the rest of my apartment. I'm gonna do it in sections because there's a lot of stuff to go through. Not a lot of stuff. It's not like a lot of stuff. I have been doing decluttering and things like that, but my kitchen, I want you guys to see. I might do a tour of my laundry room. Let me know in the comments what you guys want me to tour next. I think it's easier for me to do it that way than just one long, like 30-minute drawn out house tour, which is not what I'm going for. So let me know in the comments what you guys want to see next. But as far as my room, I freaking love it. I'm so excited and happy. And yeah, that's it for this video, you guys. I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.